teaching you on today's video lesson, angles between lines and triangles. This is actually the second part of our video lesson on angles between lines and triangles. And like I said earlier in the first video, I'll be solving questions in this second phase. So the first phase we did, I gave you formulas, I gave you proofs, I gave you theorems. And right here I'm going to give you examples to address those points. So if you haven't watched that video, just kindly do, because it is a prerequisite of this very class. Now the first question is here on the board. I have angle 3P, 30 and 90 degrees, and this is P. I'm asked to find the value of P. I'm asked to find the value of P in this question. So this is a straight line, and these angles are on this straight line. You can recall that the sum of angles in straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So this is 3P plus 30 plus 90. This is 90 degree. Whenever you see this sign, it is 90 degree. Plus P equal to what? 180 degrees. The reason is because of angles in a straight line. That's the reason. So this is 3P. 3P for P is 4P. Then 30 plus 90 is what? 120. It's equal to what? 180. So collected like times 4P is equal to 180 minus 120. And 4P is equal to what? 180 minus 120 is 60. This is equal to 60. And P is now equal to what? 60 over 4. So it's simple. 6 divided by 4 is 1, remaining 2. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So P is what? 15 degrees. Angles in a straight line. Okay, so the second question. This is a point. This is a point. And from this point, these lines are drawn. These 4 lines are drawn. And as a result, 4 angles are formed. So I have angles at the point. And you can recall that angles at the point equal to 360 degrees sum. So I'm asked to find A. I'm asked to find A actually. So A plus 40 plus A plus 270 degrees equal to 360 degrees. The reason is because angles are at the what? Point. So this is 2A. 40 plus 270 is 310. Equal to 360 degrees. So 2A is equal to what? 360 by 20 like 10 minus 310. This will give us what? 50 degrees. So A is equal to what? 50 over 2. So I'll divide this side by 2. 2 divided 2A and 2 divided 50. So this gives me 25 degrees. So A is what? 25 degrees. Now over to this third question. I have 4x plus 20. I have 5x minus 1. I have A. I'm asked to find A and x. Now, these are two parallel lines. These are two parallel lines. And this line, this transversal, this is a transversal. This is a transversal, and it is cutting these two parallel lines. And as a result, based on what I have here, I have two unknown angles here. I have A, I have the value of this angle and this angle that is here. Now, what principle, what are we going to apply now? What do you observe? 4x plus 20 and 5x minus 11, they are in the same interior. So what I told you is that these angles in the same interior is equal to 180 degrees. The sum of angles in the same interior equal to 180 degrees. That is, co-interior angles are what? Supplementary. So 4x plus 20 plus 5x minus 11 equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles. That's the reason. So 4x plus 5x is 9x. 20 minus 11 is what? 9. It's plus 9. Equal to what? 180 degrees. So 9x is now equal to what? 180 minus 9. 180 minus what? 9. Which will give us what? 180 minus 9 is 171. So x is now equal to, dividing both sides by 9. 171 over what? 9. So let's go. 17 divided by 9 is just, if you go once, remaining 6. Sorry, remaining 8. Remaining 8. Add that 8 to this one, I have 81. So 81 divided by 9 is what? It's 9. So the answer is 19. So 171 divided by 9 is what? 19 degrees. Now, what will be the value of 4x plus 20? So it means that 4x plus 20 will be this. 4x plus what? 20. So let's go. 4 times 9 is 36. Take away 3. 4 times 5 is 4 plus 3. I have 76 plus what? 20. So everything now give me 76 plus 20 will give me 96 degrees. So the value of this angle here is actually 96 degrees. Right, so we're looking for the value of x, which is 19, into this expression. Now, observe A. There is a relationship between A and 4x plus 20. That's vertically opposite angles. So A is equal to what? 4x plus 20, which is equal to what? 96 degrees. So A is what? 96 degrees. And the reason is vertically opposite angles. That's the reason. That's the reason. Now, let's quickly solve the last question. The last question that we have. This is the last question. And we are asked to find the value of the angle that's here, x. So, before I start solving, let me duplicate this diagram first. So, these are the two parallel lines. And I have this. Okay. I have my angle here 52. I have an angle from here 312. So we're asked to find the value of this angle here. So I want to quickly share this part into two to make this line parallel to these two lines. So I have a straight line parallel to two other lines here. So we can possibly do with it find the value of the angle that is here quickly. Now this is 52 degrees. So the angle that is here is also 52 degrees. That's this angle, 52 degrees. What's the reason? Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. So the angle formed here is equal to the angle formed here. Now this is 312. The value of this angle here, which we are not giving, is 360 minus what? 312. And this is equal to what? 48 degrees. So the angle here is what? 48 degrees. Mind you, we are giving just this and this, but calculated for this angle and the value of this angle that's here. So if here is 48 degrees, it means that here will also be what? 48 degrees. What's the reason? Alternate angles. So here is A, I have B, I have C here, this is D, and here is what? E. So let me call this F and what? G. So it means that angle BCF. So angle BCF, which is equal to, it is equal to what? 52 degrees. 52 degrees. And angle DCF. Angle DCF is equal to what? 48 degrees. The reason is because of what? Alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Now, the sum of angles here is what? 100 degrees. 100 degrees. That's 52 plus 48. That's 100 degrees. Now this is angles at the point, the entire stuff. So here is already what? 100 degrees. So if here is at 100 degrees, now and I have angles at a point. So it means that x plus 100 degrees equal to 360 degrees. So x plus what? 100 degrees equal to what? 360 degrees. How do we got that? X plus 100 equal to 360 degrees. The reason is because of what? Angles at a what? Point. So angles at a point equal to 360 degrees. Now, x is equal to what? 360 minus what? 100. And this will give me 260 degrees. X is now equal to 260 degrees. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. I remain Courage, and you're welcome to Courage Mathematics Academy. I'll see you some other time in my next video.